Hey, good afternoon. This is Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, doing a video walkthrough of the 2001 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. Guys, this boat is a 2-owner boat. Very good condition. Upholstery is in good shape. There's a filler. Either a larger table, it is a larger table, but it also goes in for a filler cushion here. Those pads are there, and then the owners added the secondary table that doesn't take up so much room when it's there. Got a double companion seat, helm seat with flip up bolster. Coming around, wood's in good shape, both the inserts on the dash and the wood steering wheel. A lot of times you see these boats where there's some fading and flaking and cracking in the wheel, and that's not the case on this boat. Got a GPS sounder. It's a Garmin unit, touchscreen, 741XS. The original shark plotter on the boat. GPS there, VHF radio, trim tabs, digital depth display here. Scroll around, show you the condition of this canvas. There is a mooring cover as well that goes with it. To port, you've got a wet bar with a 12-volt sink below. Designated area for a trash receptacle. Stepping down below, this boat has a dinette to starboard. That does convert into a berth, but designated place to eat as well as multitask. If you're working from home or remotely, you got a little desk set up there. Forward queen size island berth. I think that's a queen, but good size island berth anyway. Flat screen TV that pulls out, rotates. Panels are in good shape. Woodwork's in great shape. The cherry. Umbrella carpet runners. Fantastic shape. Aft area that converts into a berth. It's set up as a conversation area now. Coming around. Woodwork storage below. Nice open, airy filling. Humidity control in the AC unit. Get a picture of the control panel here. Check out the specs for options, hours, so on and so forth. But guys, this is a very clean. The original cockpit carpet, it is still available. Engine room is very clean. Take a look at those photos in the listing. Guys, this is a nice clean for 2000. I've seen much newer boats and that aren't in as good a condition as this boat. That stereo system has been updated. Again, another quick shot of the helm area. Switches there, digital depth, electric engine hatch, gauges up, the helm are in good shape. Shot of that Garmin unit again, spinning around. Got the optional table, other table stored below. Picture of the upholstery again. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Best way to reach me is my cell on 910-264-4818. Again, this is a 2001 340 Sundancer. Very clean boat. Great shape. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.